Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix We Were Here Together game crashing or crashing at startup, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, Epic Games users, go to Epic Games under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, now click on manage, and below is the launch option. You have to first enable it and have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back. Here you have to type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, you have to go to the file explorer. Now go to the Epic Games. Here the game will be installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select this run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, again come back, uncheck all of the selected ones, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. The next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, Epic Games users, go to Epic Games, under library section select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see verify option. Simply click on verify option and wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to update graphics cards. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to select the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app. Now go to the game folder. After that, select the game application, add it to the list over here, and after that select the game. After selecting the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and after that launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here under process tab, you have to search for those apps which are of no use. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting them, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the game. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play, MS Afterburner, then you should disable them. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if so, then it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link and Visual C++ file will be downloaded. You have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on repair and then click on yes and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here your game will be listed. If you cannot find the game, you have to add it. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. Now after the game is added, you have to click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once done, launch the game and check now if the game is working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall We Were Here Together game. So go to the Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on it and finally click on uninstall option once again. Now this will completely close the game and remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and again launch Epic Games and reinstall We Were Here Together game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working now and you can play it without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.